Hello, it's Mr. John here. Good to be with you again. Today we are going to have a look at a book, Discover the Seven Wonders of the World. Today we're going to have a look at a modern wonder of the world, and that will be the Empire State Building. The Empire State Building was built back in the early 1930s, nearly 90 years ago, and was over 100 stories high. It was an engineering feat of its time. Let's learn a little bit more. Let's start reading the first page about the Empire State Building. It took just 1 year and 45 days to complete this architectural wonder of modern times. Today, the Empire State Building is one of the most recognized structures across the world and a cherished symbol of the spirit of New York, US. It was built in 1930 during the Great Depression. By this time, skyscrapers had become popular in the United States. People were competing with each other to see who could build the tallest skyscraper. If we have a look at some of the photos here, you can see a photo on the right of the Empire State Building under construction. And if you have a look at the photo below the text, you can see the Empire State Building gradually being built through these 6 images. Let's continue reading. In New York, the competition was between 2 powerful industrialists. Walter Chrysler commissioned the Chrysler Building, and John Jacob Raskob Empire State Building. So if we have a look on the left, we can see a photograph of one of the industrialists, Walter Chrysler. He was the man that commissioned the Chrysler Building. You can see that building below on the left, and that was the tallest building in the world. Then came along John Jacob Raskob, pictured on the right, and he was the one that commissioned the construction of the new tallest building in the world, the Empire State Building, as you can see on the lower right image. The nearly 443 meters, which is 1,454 feet, tall Empire State Building was constructed at an average rate of 4.5 floors per week. Construction workers laboured even on Sundays and holidays to hurry the process. Finally, all the hard work paid off when, on May 1, 1931, the Empire State Building officially overtook the Chrysler Building as the tallest skyscraper in the world. Okay, if we have a look at the photos here on the right, you can see a photo of the Empire State Building, completed, finished, and if we have a look at the photo below the text, we can see some of the workers working hard back in the early 1930s building the Empire State Building. Let's look at some words and some further facts about the Empire State Building. Let's look at the word box on the left. Word wizard. Let's think about the word Great Depression. That was mentioned earlier. The Great Depression refers to the period between 1929 and 1934, when the world especially the United States, faced one of its biggest economic slumps ever. The period was marked by mass unemployment and poverty. So this means during that time there wasn't much work and the economy was very bad. So one of the reasons they built the Empire State Building was to get people into work and help the economy. Let's look at the word box on the right. A couple of extra facts about the Empire State Building. The location, 350 Fifth Avenue, New York. It was built 1930 to 1931. Fact: the Empire State Building has 102 floors. The spire on the building serves as a lightning rod to the surrounding area, diverting the lightning into the ground through a wire. It's fairly amazing, isn't it, students, that this building was built way back in 1930 to 1931. They built 4 floors a week, and the building had 102 floors, a building that is almost 90 years old. Well, I hope you enjoyed that reading on one of the 7 wonders of the world, one of the modern 7 wonders of the world, the Empire State Building. What a feat that was, to build a building nearly 1,500 feet tall, way back 90 years ago. Quite incredible. I hope you enjoyed the reading. We've also got attached a worksheet where you can answer some of the questions about this amazing story. Thank you.